So you were wondering where's the tractor, you say? Right there. Due to some bad grades, I kind of had to put the tractor away for a second. There's my bike beside it. There's a trailer. There's that 50-pound bag of salt. But, there's one thing wrong with the tractor. Oh, what happened to my tractor, man? There ain't even a rod sticking out the side. Well, guess what? We took the differential of the tractor off. We have to fix that 6th gear, and we have to get that fixed ASAP. Poor old buddy here just can't run like that. But, just for those who don't know, who saw in one of my videos about the 6th gear problem, here is the Pushmore. It actually has not been started this year. It's been sitting. So we're gonna go start on it. It has been quite